my Burutu. Burutu of whom my forefathers used to boast of. You were once the envy of all lands. The splendor of your glory transcended the Niger Delta. But now, you're a shadow of yourself. When I go down memory lane, I remember fleets of companies like the Royal Niger Company, the Nigeria Port Authority, the Delta Timber Industry, Niger Dock, and so on that were boasting with developmental activities. People of all tribes inhabited the land of Burutu, grooving with joy and enjoyment. But that was then. The Burutu of today can no longer boast of the basic amenities of life. No good drinkable water, no electricity, no internal road. I challenge you, my leaders, to do the needful to restore back our glory. I challenge you, leaders of all strata, be you House of Reps, House of Assembly, Commissioner, local government chairmen, councillors, community chairman, intervention agency and NGOs, both local and international, to please restore back our lost glory.
Chief Vincent Infanct is my name. Currently I am the eldest man in Burutu. In Izon we call him Amakosuwe, the eldest man, which tells that I have been in Burutu for a long time now and saw quite a lot of things. Before this time, we're not going to go into all the details, but particularly I must make mention of the time Burutu was booming. Everywhere you can hear of Burutu, particularly when the UAC was around. The UAC alone had 10,000 workers. The UAC alone had 10,000 workers, and that added by several other persons. Fishermen were enjoying themselves because they could easily bring their fish to Burutu and sell them. Traders from the north, traders from the south, east and west were coming to Burutu, and they were all enjoying themselves until the euphoria in Burutu went away. And compared to that time, if you see Burutu today, those of us who were enjoying Burutu at that time would like to shed tears. But it is the glory that has gone. We are trying to rejuvenate Burutu, bring back the glory of Burutu. And in this, we need the attention of politicians. We need the attention of the nearest government, the Delta State government. They should come to Burutu. They have heard that Burutu is a land of no regrets, and so they should come to Burutu and try to get some other companies to come and invest in Burutu. You have citizens that you can place maximum confidence in. And so there is no question of fear of anything if you are coming to invest. So we are appealing to the government, we are appealing to politicians near and far to come and invest in Burutu so that we can return the glory, the original glory of Burutu back in place.